A yellow wind warning has been issued for Northern Ireland ahead of Storm Floris. This storm, the first to affect the UK and Ireland since January's Storm Éowyn, promises strong winds. Gusts up to 80 kilometers per hour are expected across much of the region, with stronger gusts of 115 kilometers per hour possible in exposed areas of the north coast. This could bring considerable disruption. The Met Office warns of potential problems, and even heavier, persistent rain is also anticipated, largely during the first part of Monday. Local authorities are responding proactively. Newry, Mourne and Down Council has closed numerous parks, trails, and associated facilities. Armagh City, Banbridge and Craigavon Borough Council will also experience disruptions to services. The Department of Agriculture, Environment and Rural Affairs is urging people to avoid impacted areas, recommending people stay inside, out of harm's way, until the strong winds subside. This includes forests, parks and beaches, advising people to avoid the green spaces until the storm has passed. Further updates on the storm's track are expected over the weekend. So be prepared and stay informed. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, News Today.